Most people think saving $10,000 requires a six-figure salary. It doesn't. Here's the exact system I used on $40,000 a year, and why 90% of budgeting advice out there is actively making you fail. Every budgeting article says the same thing. Track your spending, cut your lattes, save more. That is not a strategy. That is a guilt trip. Real savings don't come from willpower. They come from a system. Specifically three things: income awareness, fixed cost reduction, and automation. Let me break all three down right now. Step 1 is knowing your actual take-home pay, not your salary, your actual monthly cash after taxes. On a $40,000 salary, that is roughly $2,800 to $3,000 per month. Write that number down. That is your entire financial battlefield. Every single decision you make starts from that number, not from your gross salary, not from what your employer tells you earn. Your real number. I use the 60-20-20 rule, not the standard 50-30-20. 60% goes to needs: rent, food, transport, utilities, the things that are not optional. 20% goes straight to savings, automated, transferred the morning after payday, before you ever see it in your spending account. The remaining 20% is yours to spend freely with zero guilt. No tracking, no logging, no spreadsheet required for that slice. Here is the math on $3,000 take-home. $1,800 to needs, $600 automated to savings, $600 for everything else. Over 6 months, that system alone generates $3,600. The remaining $6,400 came from three specific hacks I'll show you right now. Hack 1. I audited every single subscription. Most people are paying $150 or more per month in subscriptions they completely forgot about. I cut mine from $180 down to $35. That is $145 per month saved in 20 minutes. Hack 2. I meal prepped every Sunday. The average American spends $300 a month eating out. I brought that down to $80. That is $220 saved every single month without any real sacrifice. Hack 3. I called my car insurance company and said 4 words. I am considering switching. They put me on hold for 3 minutes and came back with an offer $600 cheaper for the year. One phone call, 20 minutes, $600. Combined monthly savings from the 3 hacks, $365. Over 6 months, that is $2,190 additional dollars. Add the system savings of $3,600 and you cross $10,000. Here is exactly what to do in the next 7 days. Day 1. Open your bank statement and add up every subscription. Cancel anything you have not actively used in the past 30 days. Day 2. Calculate your actual take-home monthly pay and divide it 60-20-20. Day 3. Set up an automated transfer for the savings slice, scheduled for the morning after your next payday. That is it. 3 actions. 7 days. The system runs itself after that. Next video. The 5 biggest money mistakes people make in their 20s. And I made every single one of them. Subscribe so you do not miss it.